what happens when you use clove water on your hair? Stay with me while I'll tell you the benefits and danger that comes with using clove water on your natural hair. Just in case you're new to this channel, you're welcome. It's Kelsey, and on this channel we do everything related to natural hair. And if this sounds like your kind of video, then you might as well consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, grab your seat and let's get right into the video. To begin today's video, I'll be making use of just one ingredient, which is clove. This is what clove looks like, and as you already know that clove has a lot of benefits, not just to our hair but also it's an aromatic flower buds that can be incorporated to our food, toothpaste, soap, cosmetics and so on. In your empty clean sterilized jar, add 3 spoons of cloves into the jar and add water into it. I'll be making use of normal water, and the reason why I'm using that is because I'll be infusing for 12 hours. Go ahead and cover it up and allow to infuse properly. Now, here are the benefits that comes with using clove water on your natural hair. Clove has an anti-inflammatory properties that helps to treat dandruff, flaky and itchy sensation on the scalp. Here is what it looks like after 12 hours of infusion, so let's go ahead and strain it out. Another amazing benefit of cloves is that it has high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of a natural hair. It also helps to improve beta blood circulations on the scalp. The beta carotene found in cloves helps to promote hair growth and retain hair length. It helps to prevent the premature graying of our natural hair. It is rich in polyphenol that helps to prevent the hair strands from damaging. So now that I'm done straining, I'll go ahead and transfer into my empty clean spraying bottle. Let's go ahead and apply it on my hair while I'll tell you guys the danger that comes with using clove water on your natural hair. Meanwhile, you can only use this treatment twice in a week. Do not use it every day. I'll tell you why. It is of no doubt that clove is loaded with a lot of benefit and it is super potent in nature. But then, too much of it makes your hair feel so dry and dull. Another danger that comes with using of clove water on your natural hair is the application of clove water without sealing it in with your natural hair growth oil. This can also make your hair dry out, and this can lead to hair breakage or brittle hair. So yeah, it is advisable to seal in this treatment with your hair growth oil immediately after use. So what I'm doing is to go in section by section and spray directly into my scalp. As soon as I'm done spraying into my scalp, then I'll go ahead and spray generously to my edges and my hair. And yeah, never forget your hair tips. It is advisable to massage your scalp immediately after the application of clove water, as it helps to control excessive shedding of our natural hair. Massage your scalp properly using your fingertips and not your fingernails. This treatment helps to make sure that my hair is getting required nutrients even when I have my protective hairstyle on. And I'm also gonna say that having a proper hair care routine and consistency will help you to see the better effectiveness of clove water on your natural hair. Knowing when to apply and how to apply is very important, and that's the only way you can grow long, thick, dark, full and healthy natural hair. And lastly, I'll go ahead and add my natural hair growth oil to seal in the treatment. that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.